Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see today, this video is about Christmas makeup look, and I do understand it's not going to be the same as before, but nonetheless there isn't anything that is stopping you from getting ready. So yeah, even if you're sitting home or if you're just going to be with your friends and family at home, you can definitely go ahead and try out this makeup look. And I tried creating this makeup look with two lip colors. One is the bold lip color, and that's a lovely bright red color that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and the other one is an absolute nude color with a lot of gloss. And so you can pick up and choose whichever that you would be comfortable in, and do let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite amongst these two. And yes, without wasting any time, we shall get started. But in case if you're new here and you're watching me for the first time, a big warm hello to all of you all. Please take a moment and go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and the bell icon so that you're notified for my future uploads. And in case you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a nice big thumbs up. Should you have any comments, mention them down in the comments below. I'll be really happy to read and to revert. And yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started.
Alright, here we get started with an absolutely squeaky clean face. I'm going to be starting with moisturizing my face, and I'm using the Pond's moisturizer, dotting it all over my face and not forgetting the neck area. Make sure that you're evenly spreading the moisturizer, and yeah, as you can see, please make sure that you're going ahead and hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon for my future video uploads. After having applied the moisturizer, just let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can prime your face. The function of a primer would primarily be not only to make your makeup last for a longer time, but also to blur out any open pores that you may have. Moving on to the next step, that would be just shaping up my eyebrows. I'm just kind of filling in the sparse eyebrows and not getting it too bold. The product I'm using is from Benefit. After having done my eyebrows, just going to take a spoolie and roughly brush it up. Up next, out over here, I'm going to be using this concealer, and I'm going to dot it all over my eyelids. And I'm not using the concealer anywhere other than the eyelids because I am assuming that there might be a little bit of fallout from the eyeshadow. So just trying to play it safe. Taking this beauty blender and going to, either you can use your finger to dab it, or just to blend it, you can use your beauty blender. So going to evenly spread out the concealer on my eyelids. Up next, I'm going to be taking this compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me and going to dust it and dab it on my eyelids so that it forms a smooth base for my eyeshadow application. Do not forget the corners of the eye, and you can use a loose powder, a compact powder, or a Studio Fix, whatever is easily available to you. Up next, I'm using these two eyeshadow palettes. One is from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and the other one is this red shade from Incase. I'm using this shade right here in this palette as a transition shade. Just going to be applying this a little bit on top of my crease line, so that it gives you a lovely transition shade to the eyeshadow. Using this flat eyeshadow brush, I'm now going to be taking this red color from the Incase palette and apply it on the eyelid. Making sure that you're not going anywhere above the eyelid and not going anywhere above the crease line. We don't want the makeup look to look too stark. So making sure that you're just within the eyelid area. Using this pencil brush from MAC, I'm going to be taking this brown shade and will intensify the eyeshadow to the outer V of the eye. and also trying to get it towards towards the crease line of the eyelid. As you can see, trying to just diffuse the color and using the same brown color on the lower lash line as well. Thereafter, I shall be using the buffer brush and diffuse all the shades, as you can see, using a very light hand because we do not want any stark lines. Up next is using a mascara, but unfortunately I have missed the clipping where I was applying the eyeliner. You can either go ahead applying the eyeliner or you can totally skip it, whatever suits you the best. Applied a coat of mascara and now I'm using falsies. You can totally skip the falsies in case if you're not okay with it and apply 2 coats of mascara instead. Make sure that you're applying mascara on your upper as well as the lower lashes. Moving on to the face, using foundation now. Dotting this foundation from Fit Me Maybelline all over my face, and we'll be using this beauty blender to blend it all around. Up next, using this magic stick from NYX, using the contour bit. I'm not going to be doing a heavy contouring here. It's just going to be very little, but yeah, something that's definitely going to give you a little chiseled look and will probably help in hiding my double chin out here. So a little on my jawline, as you can see, on the cheeks, and a little bit on the forehead as well, and around my nose. Again, using the same beauty blender, going to blend it upwards and not downwards. Please be mindful about that. And make sure that you're taking a good enough time to blend this well, because you do not want any stark lines, as I said earlier, on your face. Take your time to blend this contour. After using the cream product, now I'm going to be using this powder product, which is the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Going to dab a very tiny amount on all the areas where I have applied the cream contour, and yeah, making sure that you are blending it well. Moving on to the next step would be my favorite blush. I like to go a bit kind of a full ham as far as blush on is concerned, because blush on definitely tends to wear off once you have actually finished doing your makeup. So it does give you a kind of, in case if you've used very less blush on, it gives you a little bit of washed out flat look. So I really like to go full ham as far as blush is concerned. Apply a little bit on your nose as well, and apply it in a dabbing motion so that you're not moving your foundation. These are the 2 lip shades that I'm going to be actually trying out in this video. This one is the nude lip color from NYX. The shade is called London, and I'm going to top it up with the lip gloss. You can either let it be matte the way it is, in case if you like it so, and I'm going to be using a little bit of gloss as well. So just at the center of my lips, I'm going to be wearing this lip gloss, and yeah, that's about it. I have forgotten to use a highlighter on my cheeks here. In case if you so wish to, you can definitely go ahead and go full bam as far as highlighting your face is concerned. Moving on to makeup fixer, I'm using this makeup fixer from MAC. Covering my eyes because my mascara isn't waterproof, and spritzing it all over my face, and that's about it. you're all set ready. A little bit that you need to do with your hair, and yeah, that's about it. I really liked the lovely nude lip color that I'm wearing, and usually with bold eyes you need to go easy with the lip color, but the eyes have come out so beautiful that I think even the red lip color is looking good. Do let me know what is your opinion on this in the comments below. Up next is this bold red lip color. I look all set ready for Christmas. You can tie your hair in a bun, in a pony, or just let them loose however you wish to. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed making it for you. Until we meet again, take very good care of yourself and do what makes you happy. Merry Christmas!